If you ever see a mechanic taping up a plane before takeoff, don't panic. It's not ordinary duct tape. It's called speed tape, a high-strength, heat-resistant aluminum-based tape designed for temporary aviation repairs. It's often used to patch small tears, peeling paint, or minor surface issues on non-structural parts like engine cowlings or external panels. The FAA approves it for temporary fixes, ensuring flights stay safe while permanent repairs are scheduled. So next time you see speed tape on a plane, just remember, it's there to keep things together, not falling apart.